बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। Welcome to online classes of Iqra Huffaz Boys Secondary School, a project of Iqra Education System. This is the video session of revision of previously taught single letter phonograms. आज की ये वीडियो हमारी पिछले पढ़ाए गए सिंगल लेटर फोनोग्राम्स के रिवीजन पर है और वो फोनोग्राम्स ए से लेकर क्यू तक हमने पिछली वीडियोस में पढ़ लिए हैं। तो चलिए चल के उनका रिवीजन करते हैं। Dear students, let's start the sounds of phonograms. Phonogram number 1 is A. It has 3 sounds. Sound number 1 is A. An example is A as in arrow. Sound number 2 is A. A as in bake. Sound number 3 is A. An example is A as in class. Sound of B is B. An example is B as in bird. Dear students, next phonogram is C and it has 2 sounds. Sound number 1 is K. An example is K as in cat. Sound number 2 is S and example is S as in cycle. Sound of D is D and the example is D as in duck. E has 2 sounds. Sound number 1 of E is A. Example is A as in elephant. And the second sound is E. E as in scenery. Phonogram F has only 1 sound and the sound is F, and its example is F as in fish. There are 2 sounds of G. First sound is G and example is G as in goat, and the second sound is J and example is J as in ginger. Phonogram H has only 1 sound and the sound is that means the sound of your breath. An example is as in hook. Phonogram I has 2 sounds. Sound number 1 is short sound and sound number 2 is long sound. Sound number 1 is E. An example is E as in ink. Sound number 2 is I. I as in ice. Phonogram J has only 1 sound and the sound is J. And example is J as in jet. Phonogram K has only one sound and the sound is K, just like first sound of C. And example is K as in kite. Phonogram L has also only one sound and the sound is L, and its example is L as in lamp. Phonogram M also has only one sound and the sound is An example is as in moon. Phonogram N also has only one sound and the sound is and example is as in needle. Phonogram O has also three sounds and its sound number 1 is O. An example is O as in office. Sound number 2 is O. An example is O as in phone. Sound number 3 is Oo, and the example is Oo as in tomb. Phonogram P has only one sound and the sound is P. Example is P as in pencil. Phonogram Q also has only one sound and the sound is Q. Example is Q as in quarter. Dear students, this is the end of today's video session and I hope you have clearly understood and learnt about sounds of previous taught phonograms from A to Q. Dear students, आज की वीडियो अपने ख़त्म को पहुंची है और मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप फोनोग्राम्स के रिवीजन को अच्छी तरह समझ भी चुके होंगे और इंशाअल्लाह ताला आपको साउंड्स याद भी हो गए होंगे ए से लेकर क्यू तक. आई स्ट्रांगली एडवाइस यू टू डू अ लॉट ऑफ प्रैक्टिस. मेरी तरफ़ से आपको ये एडवाइस है कि आपने इसको डेली बेसिस पर थोड़ा बहुत सुनते रहना है. अगर रोज़ आप ये वीडियो ना देख सकें, सुन ना सकें, तो आपको दूसरे दिन सुननी चाहिए या हफ्ते में एटलीस्ट 2 टाइम्स आपको 2 टाइम्स अ वीक सुननी चाहिए ताकि आपको साउंड्स जल्द से जल्द अच्छे तरीके से याद हो जाए. इन केस ऑफ एनी प्रॉब्लम यू मे लीव अस अ मैसेज. इंशाल्लाह वी विल गिव यू इमीडिएट फीडबैक. अगर आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो आप हमें मैसेज कर सकते हैं. इंशाल्लाह आपको बहुत जल्द फ़ीडबैक मिल जाएगा. अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू.